Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to open settings in Google Drive. So the settings in Google Drive is where you can customize your Google Drive. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So now I am inside my Google Drive. To go to settings, I will have to click on the settings icon. Left click on the settings icon. Then click on settings. So here you can see how much storage you have used. You can buy your storage. You can change the language settings. You can select offline. Then in notifications, you can select the notification. You can turn them on. You can turn them off. You can manage other apps as well. You can manage the Google Docs and all the other things. You can integrate other things. Then you can use the density, use comfortable, cozy, and then you can use suggestions. You can use the offline and all the other things you can access from settings. And once you are done customizing, you can just click on done. So this is how you can access the settings in Google Drive. So now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have learned how to open settings in Google Drive. Thank you for watching.